Hey guys, my name is Aaliyah and I'll be showing you a quick tutorial of how to swaddle a baby today. Now the method that I use is pretty simple. I like to keep her hands out because I don't want her to be too hot, and I like her to have the freedom to move her hands around. Now the pictures will show you both her hands wrapped in the blanket and her hands unwrapped. So first, you'll lay the blanket flat on the flat surface. Then you'll fold one of the top corners down. Once you have done so, the baby should be placed on the corner that's folded down. And then it should look something like this. Then you'll bring one of the bottom corners up to lay it and place it on the baby's chest. And after you have done so, it would look like this. Then you bring the left edge over and the picture resemble how it's supposed to look. And then you'll have to tuck it under the baby's side. Once you tuck it, it should look a little like this.